Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 5 things that I have available for sale. I will put the links in the description below down here, so if you can check them out after the video, that would be wonderful. If you enjoy what you see, please like and subscribe for more content. Let's begin. Our first sign is a sign that says dogs welcome, people tolerated. It is 4.5 by 14.5, so it's kind of big, not too big, and I will put hardware on the back, but this is kind of cute. I tried to find a general dog to put on the sign because everybody has different dogs, you know, so I have a German Shepherd and a Husky, but anyway, so dogs welcome, people tolerated. And this one I believe is $20. I would double check that before I put the link in, but anyway, this one is $20. Next is a sign that says Farmers Market. This is 3.5 by 12, and it is kind of light. I still have to put hardware on the back, but that's okay. I put hardware on all of my items. I like it because of the stain. The stain is called Jacobine, and that's my favorite color of stain. It's dark, and then I roughed it up with sandpaper so you can see some of the grain under the vinyl. So this is Farmers Market. This one is $12. The next up is kind of funny. It says, your opinion is not part of the recipe. So I thought that was cute and funny. I've seen this on t-shirts also, and aprons. So I might make that on an apron in the future. I have a heat press, so I can do that. This one is $20, and I'm going to put hardware on it. And I like it. This is 16 by 3. I'm sorry, it's almost 3. It's like 2 3/4. So, and then it's 16 length. So there's that, and this is $20. Okay, next up is a Farm Fresh Eggs sign. This is 3 inches by 18, so it's kind of long. This is $20, and hardware attached. There's a lot of people in my area that sell eggs, so this is a perfect gift for somebody that sell eggs, or you know, they have a farm, or you know, something like that. But Farm Fresh Eggs, and this is $20. And then the last one that I have available is a crab sign. This one is 4.5 by 10.5, and I'll put hardware on the back. This is $18, and I'll put, it has a little crab, so I thought that was kind of cute. In my area, there's a lot of people that like seafood and things like that, so I love crab and lobster and fish and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, check out the links below. I have stuff all the time. I make things all the time. So there's things that are constantly being added to my website. It's not my website, but it's a website that I put all my things on. And I love it. It's called Made in 757. So I'll put their link in the description below too if you want to check it out. But just look at them. You know, all the prices include shipping. So that's a very good deal. And if you have any questions, let me know. I have a lot of projects that I'm going to be doing. I carved my first wood coffee scoop yesterday. I didn't bring it with me to the wood shop. It's in the house already. But if you find me on Facebook, I have pictures on there. The Wood Burning Warrior on Facebook. And so anyway, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.